Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I'm super excited to be back with you guys. I've got the July mystery kit. I am super excited because I know in this kit I get a sticker kit, plus I also get something extra to go with it. So let me open it up. I'll share it with you. This is from DEK Designs. I've taken out the envelope and taken out all my personal information out of it. But I haven't looked at the kit yet, so I'm super excited. All right, let's take a look. Well, first, looks like we get two washi, and aren't they pretty? So, oh, actually three. Oh, fun. So you get two of the light blue, one of the navy. Oh, and they have these little bitty heart. I don't know if you can see printed. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, there you go. Now you can see a little bit more, hopefully. I really love those. Those are really pretty. And again, this is the July Mystery. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? The ocean is where I belong. I agree. And I love this. And then you also get the date dots. And of course, they're in whatever the foiling is in the kit. Plus, you get just some fun decoratives at the end. We also have four gorgeous beauties, is what I was going to say. Four girls. And really, really beautiful for this kit. So usually we only get three, but she gave us one extra. I really love that. Okay. And then we get the washi. And so we've got all that beautiful gold foiling. We've got two different colors. They fit perfectly on whatever size kit that you get. It'll fit whatever size planner you have. And you just designate what kind of planner you have. We've got a Monday through Sunday, the tags, the postage, what I call postage stamp stickers. We've got the quarter, the half, and then some headers on here. These are decorative, so pretty. I love using these, in a regular size planner, but I also love using these even in a Hobonichi Weeks, which is really kind of like a pocket planner. So, and then also we've got the scallops, the half scallops, we've got the half circle scallops, and the eyelet scallops, I should say, the pennant banners, however you want to call them, the work, and then all the decoratives. Aren't those decoratives so cute? Oh, they're so cute. I love the seahorse. So cute. All right, now we have our checklist boxes, which are so nice. You can even put these all together and make a lister's got a list. That's really fun in your journal or your memory keeping. You've got the clipboards. You've got the Monday through Sunday, and I use this for my meal planning. I've got the half boxes, and then I've got just words that I can use either in setting up lists, or I can just put these throughout as reminders. All right, we've got designated header boxes. Sorry, guys, I'm having a hard time talking today. And then we have our glitter headers, our additional checklists, and then which are in pennant form. If you can see, they're a little flagged. And then we have the weekend, and then we have two little washies. Aren't those sweet? Now, these are some extras. So these are kind of like the journaling fun. I love using these in my journals. So you've got the sticky notes, the what I call the stamp stickers, and then you've got like the little scallop journal boxes. So super fun, super fun. And then last but not least, look at all the decoratives and functional stickers. Those are so much fun. And two more beautiful girls. And I just love that DEK does girls of all shapes, all sizes, all backgrounds, all everything. So it makes it lots and lots of fun. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want to make sure 6, 7, 8, 8 full page, 9, 10 plus washi kit. So that's pretty amazing. I know. And it's a very affordable, great entry point for monthly stickers. So it's a monthly kits is what I'm trying to say. So you could definitely pick these up and just have a great time planning, and it would give you a good start to your month. Okay, friends, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Welcome to all of our new friends. Thank you so much and for subscribing. And, if you're not subscribed, we'd love to have you. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell. And last but not least, thank you to everybody who's been a part of the channel for a long time. All right, friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think about this particular kit. And tell me, is it something that you might want to get started if you've never used planner stickers before? This might be a good starting spot. Okay, friends, I'll be talking to you soon. Y'all take care. Love you. Bye-bye.